Alright, let's see. I'm going to check my hair, make sure my hair looks okay. Oh, whoops, I started the camera already. Sorry about that. Hi, 4th graders and parents and anyone else. I am Mr. Grant. I'm going to go over what Group 1 is going to do for Friday. So, here we go. I'm going to move this to the top. So now you're going to see what it looks like. So in just a minute, you'll have your video linked up here that I'm making. But here's what I need you to do. Morning meeting. Make a Seesaw video sharing what you do when you get frustrated. So what strategies do you do? I'll tell you one that I do. One that I do is deep breathing or belly breaths that Mrs. Sokolos talked about. So if you find yourself getting frustrated in class or at home, try that. If you have other strategies, I'd love to hear them so I could share them with other people, because we all get frustrated sometimes. Another thing I like to do is I like to go work out. Go for a run or lift some weights. So if you're ever feeling like that at home, maybe you could do that. So that's what I need you to do for morning meeting, is share what you do when you get frustrated in a video on Seesaw. Reading, you're going to answer a question, so let me show you it. So it's down here, and the question is, have you ever felt like Stella Luna? So answer the question. We read Stella Luna as a class. I've included a read aloud of the story right here, so click that if you don't remember it. So if you feel like you can answer the question without it, great. If you want to use the video, that's also great. Or if you want to just listen to it, you can listen to it. And it does have pictures from the book too, which is nice. Have you ever felt like, so here's the question. Have you ever felt like Stella Luna? Think of how she felt when she met the birds and tried to be like the birds. Have you ever felt like she did? If so, tell me about it. If not, explain how you think she felt in the story. Let's go back here. For writing, you're going to watch this video on dialogue and make changes to your writing from yesterday. So yesterday, you had this writing assignment here, narrative. So you wrote. Now what I need you to do is watch this cool video on dialogue and make some changes to your writing. If you see this video and you're like, oh, I didn't write my narrative, do not watch this video. Write your narrative first, then watch it. This video is for after you have written your narrative. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. And then math is green box for 20 minutes. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next week.